Writing to an RFID tag, using Field Maps with the reader switch. Open Field Maps and select the map you'll be working in. Tap the plus button in the bottom right corner to add a point. After placing the point, fill out the form that appears. You'll notice the InfraMarker ID field is blank. Proceed by submitting the form. Once submitted, scroll back down to find the Launch Right RFID iOS button. Since we're using an iOS device, tap that option. A prompt will appear asking to scan with NFC. However, we're using a UHF RFID reader, so tap Cancel. In the upper left corner, tap the 3 bars menu, tap NFC to deactivate it, then tap the External Reader button. Select your connected TSL reader from the list that is already paired via Bluetooth. Tap outside the menu to return to the form. Point your RFID reader at the tag and pull the trigger to scan. When you return to the form, the InfraMarker ID field should now be filled in. Finally, tap Submit in the upper right corner to send the data back to your feature layer. You've now successfully written to an RFID tag using Field Maps.